From at Ben Haddou, we travel on to Marrakech, crossing the high Atlas Mountains. The high Atlas Mountains are really impressive. It runs right through Morocco and is over 4,000 meters high in some places. The highest mountain is the Tuab, which is 4,167 meters. In winter, there is often snow and Berber tribes live there. The route takes us over the magnificent Tizi and Tichka mountain pass, which reaches to 1,260 meters with its many hairpin turns and breathtaking views. This pass is the highest mountain pass in North Africa. Finally, we reach Marrakech.